Okay, so let's make a variable. I'm going to call it teacher, and it's going to be a string value. I'll put my name in, and I want to try and manipulate this string. I need to pull bits of the letters off. So if I print out teacher at the moment, if I run this program, it prints out my name. Let's try and just print out the first letter. If I take this and I say, square brackets, 1 colon, and I run that again, you can see that I've grabbed everything missing the first letter. Let's try that the other way around. If I put the colon on this side, I just get the B. Okay, so Pig Latin, I'm going to need to add, need a first letter. I'll make a variable, first letter equals teacher 1, and rest of word equals teacher, that way around. So now if I print out rest of world, and then we add on first letter, I've got my beginnings of my Pig Latin. Asub. Vasu has become asub. I need to put an ly at the end. Plus speech marks ly. Vasubli. Maybe I need to put a hyphen in here. Oops. Didn't put another plus to glue it there. Oops. Just run that clean. Asubli. Okay.